Hello guys, good morning. Yes, it is sunny day today. Today is Monday. Monday what? It's May 12. Yes, happy May 12 guys. It's sunny day today. So this is what we got guys today. Today's video is our shopping today as always every day. Yeah, nag-shopping pa guys. So I'll show you what I got. That one guys is a sunny day. Sunny day. And we have our toilet paper. Napkin do not guys. Paper napkin. Napkins, huh? Pads, not pads, but napkins. And we have this guys, dragon fruits. Dragon fruits? Wala man ta sa Pilipinas guys. So kanina lang ang ato ang nasulod sa lata. And this one guys, coconut pulp. Slice muna nato. Lamin na siya kaunga guys. Then purchase ham because we have to get some ham. And we got some cheese. White cheddar cheese guys. White cheddar cheese. Guys, I want to try this one. Kimchi noodles. Did you know how much is that? Let me guess. Guys. Atong ketchup, nga tag $7 na. Atong juice, nga tag $5 na. Exciting me guys. This is exciting me. Alright, so we'll have this guys. The samyang jajang noodles. Sana jay jijang noodles guys. So nagluto tarog noodles. Kampatag noodles. Kimchi spicy. This is not spicy. I love it. Spicy guys. Yes. Anong kay pansit? This what guys? Kani guys ang mangga. Naitay mangga. $99. Bilis $99. Atong mangga mango. $90. Oh. Sus, kadugay lang matangtang guys. Natay bananas. Atong organic na bananas. Ka-harvest dito guys. You know? Ka-harvest dito itong bananas. There. Ang mango guwapa kaayo. And this is my squid favorites guys. Lami siyang calamaris guys. Waman ta diri siyang fresh. Kanina lang sinulod sa lata. Lutoon with garlic and onions. Aw, lami na. Ubos ng bahaw guys. Paganas kong gipalit guys kay maglaway-laway ko. Yes, kana.